You know how difficult it gets when your team's always out and about? Some on morning shifts, others in the field, maybe a few working nights. Messages get lost, shifts get swapped last minute, and before you know it, the day's gone. That's where Connecteam really shines. It's a mobile-first workforce management app built for people who don't sit in front of a computer all day. From scheduling to tracking hours and sharing updates, everything happens right on your phone. So let's walk through how Connecteam brings order to the chaos of running a deskless team. So to start things off, Connecteam is designed to be intuitive. When you first get in, the left navigation panel gives you access to high-level administrative functions, like an overview, activity, users, and smart groups. But the real core of Connecteam is structured around three main centralized categories, which they call hubs: the Communications Hub, Operations Hub, and HR and Skills Hub. This hub-based organization makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you need, all within one integrated employee app. What we found truly helpful, especially if you're a new user, is their onboarding process. For every single feature in the app, Connecteam provides a step-by-step how-to guide right within the application. It's intuitive and simple to navigate, so anyone can use it with ease. And the best part is that it's free for up to 10 users. For deskless workers that spread all over, you need a faster way to communicate. Connecteam really made their communication features to make all that internal communication smooth and centralized. At the heart of this hub is their native chat feature. Employees can instantly share updates, photos, or files right from their mobile app. Another crucial part is the updates feature. This allows team leads to make important announcements and, importantly, ensure they are actually seen on a social media style feed. You can post company news, safety warnings, or policy changes to a central feed, which looks a bit like a social media feed, and then send them out to your team using push notifications. They also have an event feature. You can create, manage, and send out invites for any company event, whether it's a team meeting, a holiday party, or a mandatory training session. Employees can reply right in the app, and all the event details, like the time, location, and agenda, are managed from this single place. Finally, their help desk feature is an organizational lifesaver. Employees can easily submit requests or questions directly to the relevant department. This makes sure that issues are captured, tracked, and resolved efficiently. All these tools together really transform what is often fragmented, chaotic communication into a single, reliable hub. The Operations Hub is where the real heavy lifting for deskless teams happens. This section is all about managing and monitoring employee operations out on the ground. In Connecteam, the time clock is arguably one of the most important features here. It works simply. Employees clock in and out directly from their mobile device. You can use GPS tracking to verify an employee's location when they punch in or out. You can even set up geofence sites, which are virtual perimeters around a job site, to ensure workers are physically present before they can start their shift. To stay on top of labor laws, they have automated overtime calculations, break tracking, and real-time alerts for compliance issues. This ties into their powerful payroll system. Connecteam makes payroll easier and more accurate by tracking employee work hours correctly, so everyone gets paid without mistakes, and you can avoid time theft. You can also export those timesheets straight to top payroll providers like ADP and Paychex. To create schedules quickly, you can use their Job Schedule feature. This lets you assign shifts based on roles, qualifications, or locations, and it automatically cross-references employee availability and time off requests. It even has an AI-powered scheduling feature that does the work for you in seconds. They also have an amazing task management feature called Quick Tasks, which makes it easy to assign tasks to individuals or groups. Employees get the task on their mobile device, and they can update its status, and through Connecteam's forms, they can fill out reports and attach photos of the completed work and even provide a digital signature. This gives managers real-time visibility into the status of all current work across all locations. Connecteam is very thoughtful about human resources operations, and the HR and Skills Hub is specifically designed for this. For training and professional development, you can create courses right within Connecteam. You can create or upload mobile-friendly training modules, assign them to specific employees, and even add quizzes to ensure comprehension. For maintaining a positive culture, they have rewards and recognition. You can publicly celebrate milestones or accomplishments by giving shoutouts or custom badges like Employee of the Month, which can be posted on the company feed. They even have a celebrations tool that automatically reminds everyone of birthdays and work anniversaries. Furthermore, the time-off management feature streamlines the entire PTO process. Employees submit requests directly through the app, and managers can easily approve or deny them, all while keeping track of accruals and balances. This eliminates manual tracking. The HR Hub also includes documents management, where you can securely store and share essential company documents, manuals, or employee handbooks, making them instantly accessible. On top of that, their organization chart gives employees a clear visual understanding of the company's structure and who reports to whom, which improves transparency in PTO management. After diving deep into all that Connecteam offers, it's clear this all-in-one platform is suitable for any business with a deskless or frontline workforce. If you're looking to simplify your operations by eliminating chaotic, disconnected tools, Connecteam is the solution. Use the link in the description to start your free trial today. Or you can do it right away by scanning this QR code. Sign up right now, because it's free for teams up to 10 users. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching.